Yo, what is up guys? Omaha Waves back with another video. This is my second video on the channel, and this video we're just going to be doing a quick video and showing what's actually wrong with my car. I'm going to just be showing it around because I'm not exactly sure why it's misfiring. I've asked the Facebook group, I've gotten a ton of different things, so I'll just actually show you guys in depth of like the actual what it looks like. Yeah, I'll just go outside and show you guys. I got new coil or ignition wires too, so I'm gonna be trying to put these on. So yeah, let's just go outside. Alright, so first I'll just show you guys how the car runs when I start it. But excuse the mess, but it just dies out after like a couple of seconds. Let's just get it started. God, this is so shaky. Alright, let's just start her up. Fuck. It's so hard to sit in here without a seat. Idle a little bit, and then if I get my foot off the clutch, it just dies out. See? And let's try it again. If I keep gassing on it, it stays on. But I'll just show you guys. It just stalls out. See the engine? And then it smells like gas kind of too. Yeah, I definitely can smell gas, but let's just check. So fuel filter, the previous owner said that either the fuel dampener, which is right here, it's kind of hard to see it right there, or the fuel filter, I think it was the fuel pressure regulator. He said that one got changed, but yeah, I have no idea what's wrong with it. You know, let's just go a slow overview. I got new coil packs, or just OEM used ones, and new spark plugs in there too. I don't know if it could be the wiring, which is what I gotta figure out, because these things are broken. And he said the fuel injector got switched out too, and the wires for them got changed too, but I'm not sure what's wrong with it. I should probably get a code reader, but people in the Facebook group were saying that it was this, because this bolt was actually stripped when I took it off. But I gotta attach this back on. See, but this bolt right here is stripped. I don't know if there's like a gap in there which is causing a vacuum leak or what, but it's just not going too well. Let's just do a slow overview. Everything. God, it's blurry. Coil packs. Yeah, the previous owner also lost like half the bolts in this car, which sucks. I don't know, it could be because these are loose maybe, and he broke off the little bolt stripping right there. Broke that off. Let's see. I don't really know. I was also told if I take this off, it'll run better, but I'm not sure if I should do that or not. I tried it. It just like started up, but it just made like a really weird noise, so I didn't want to like risk it. But yeah, got these new, got that fuel or that air intake on, but you know, I'm not really sure what's going on. This is for the LEDs, that's something else, but yeah, I don't really know. I don't know if there's a vacuum leak or what. Assuming this is the new one, because that looks fairly new. But, you know, I'm not sure. I'm just trying to get everything, just to see if anyone else knows or what. But to me, everything looks fine, except like the ignition wires. But other than that, I haven't checked the fuel injectors, but I'm not sure. Maybe I need a new fuel filter, but I don't think that's what's causing the misfire so bad for it to just shut off. But yeah, it definitely starts to smell like gas after a little bit, or like when I try to start it up. But if I just keep on the throttle, it stays on. It's super weird. I don't know what's wrong with it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I definitely need a new battery. But yeah, if you guys know anything or what's wrong with it, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. I want this car to start running up nice and good so I could actually do performance upgrades and body upgrades and not have to deal with other problems, which is kind of my fault because I decided to get a 300zx out of all cars. But yeah, if you guys know what's wrong with it, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. So yeah. Alright, so yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's what's wrong with the car. And go ahead and just leave a comment if you guys have an idea of what's wrong with it. I feel like it has something to do with the fuel lines or just like vacuum. It could be a vacuum leak, the hoses. But it has to be something with the fuel because it smells like gas every time I start it up. So I'm not sure. So then just go ahead and leave a comment, whatever you guys think. So yeah guys, pretty much that's it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to keep up with this build, and just wait a little bit. It's gonna be awesome. Thanks.